Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to pop up the roof. We're going to ensure our sliding door is open to allow the airflow to come in, and we're then going to remove our 4 straps. To release the front straps, we're going to push the tab and pull the webbing through, like so. To release the 2 rear straps, we're going to pull the webbing upwardly and open the catch. Now we've released our 4 straps, we're going to pop the roof up. We're going to grab the handles, face forward, sitting on the bench. The hardest part will be overcoming the initial weight, and we're just going to stand up with the roof. So now the roof is set and secure. We have 3 large fly screen windows. To open these, we open the zippers, roll the canvas, and bring those up slightly. So to bring the roof down, we're going to close our windows if we've opened them, and we're going to ensure our sliding door is open. That's really important to let the air escape as we pull the roof down. We're then going to grab the roof handles and with our body weight, lower down and let the roof come down. Now the roof is down, we're going to secure our 4 roof straps. To secure the 2 front straps, push the tab, pull the webbing through, a little pull down and secure the loose straps on the clips there. And to secure the 2 rear straps, we're going to pull the webbing strap down, push the canvas in and secure.